At first glance, this looks like just another big rig. But wait until you see what happens when this extraordinary rolling estate is paired with a 40-foot hydraulic liftgate trailer. This is the 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, masterfully transformed by the craftsmen at S&S Welding. You're not just looking at a truck, you're looking at a fully customized luxury motorhome and race trailer combo built for performance and comfort. Let's take a closer look. This beast isn't just transportation, it's a luxury command center on wheels, with a race-ready trailer that transforms at the push of a button. And just when you think it can't get any crazier, hit the train horn. Sound blast, and your neighbors will think a freight train is barreling through town. From the start, it's clear this rig means business. We're talking 43 feet of S&S motorhome conversion, connected to a 46-foot matching trailer, a total of 90 feet from end to end. Under that extended hood, a Cummins X15 engine pushing 605 horsepower and 2,050 foot-pounds of torque, paired with an Eaton UltraShift 18-speed automatic transmission. You might be wondering, how do you live comfortably in something this massive? Well, S&S has the answer. 31 feet of pure luxury with dual slide-out. Let's start up front, where this Peterbilt makes its bold first impression. That extended hood isn't just for looks, it gives full access to the powerhouse beneath. You've got custom fiberglass fenders, a 20-inch American Eagle bumper with retro reflective marker lights, and even an angry duck hood ornament for attitude. Above that, a custom visor with hidden LED lighting keeps things visible during those late-night fuel stops. While the polished headlight buckets aren't just shiny, they're engineered to project further into the night. Now, rolling down the passenger side, you'll notice those fresh Michelins with new steers for maximum safety. Look up, and you'll spot custom-painted window chops and amber glowing air cleaner lights that add serious nighttime flair. Behind sleek access doors, you'll find dual 30-pound propane tanks powering your furnace and hot water. And yes, that's a slide-out Traeger electric pellet grill built right into the side. You can smoke a brisket while you cruise. Let's check out the dual slide-outs, each about 14 to 15 feet long. The driver's side houses the dinette and jackknife sofa, while the passenger side expands the kitchen and living area. Between them sits a 50-ton hitch system with a 2-inch receiver and factory pre-wired RV plugs. The Glad hand fittings let you connect the trailer's full air brake system, and that bright yellow cord. It's your 50-ampere outlet, so the trailer taps into the coach's 22,000-watt generator with ease. Here comes the real showstopper, the 40-foot S&S liftgate trailer. Watch it rise, revealing surgical-grade LED work lights that turn night into day. The 55-inch upper deck clearance lets you load late models without removing tires. Rear sliding glass doors reveal programmable LED merch displays, perfect for race day sales. Underneath, there's onboard water storage, airline hookups, and 110-volt outlets spaced out for convenience. Plus, the full walk-on roof means you'll never need to climb sketchy ladders again. Step inside, and you're welcomed by premium flex steel furniture, laminate plank flooring, and padded vinyl walls, offering a perfect mix of comfort and durability. This motorhome sleeps up to 8, with a king-sized master suite in the rear, 2 jackknife sofas, and a full overcab bunk for extra guests. You'll stay cool thanks to 3 rooftop ACs, enjoy endless hot showers with the 10-gallon propane water heater, and store everything you need in the full-size Samsung residential fridge. Love to cook? You'll be blown away by the gourmet galley featuring stainless steel countertops, a Traeger pellet grill, and ample cabinetry. Whether it's breakfast on the road or dinner at camp, this kitchen delivers. And with dual 30-pound propane tanks and a 22,000-watt Husker diesel generator, you'll never be short on power. The mid-bath layout adds luxury with a glass shower, porcelain toilet, an elegant vanity easy to maintain and incredibly comfortable. For downtime, enjoy the Yamaha surround sound, smart TVs, and pre-wired Starlink compatibility so you stay connected no matter how remote your destination. Now check out the master suite, hit this switch, and watch the rear expand into a full bedroom with triple wardrobe storage and soft touch padded walls. Up front, the Platinum cab features low-rider seats, and of course, the 18-speed Eaton Ultra-Shift transmission, no clutch needed. See this custom lever? Yep, that's your 150 decibel wake-up call. Under the hood, the X15 Cummins stays spotless. Fueled by twin 100-gallon tanks, the 22-kilowatt generator runs on a reliable Isuzu diesel engine, while the AGM coach batteries can even cross-connect to jumpstart the entire system. But wait, we haven't talked about the trailer interior yet. It is just as impressive. Designed for racers and serious haulers who want to bring their bikes along, it includes custom shock dyno cabinets, nitrogen hookups, and a tire grooving station. Performance matters, even off the track. With dual 18,000 BTU AC units, this trailer stays cool even under pressure. Magnetic partition doors keep dust out and climate control in. Add in floor storage, a 5,000-pound winch, and a built-in air compressor, and you've got the ultimate mobile workshop. So is this S&S package your dream rig? Could it be the ultimate mix of power, comfort, and performance? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more incredible RVs and conversions, click on the next video on your screen.